Okay, so we've all heard a lot recently about washing our hands properly, but what I want to talk to you about is a few of my tips about washing your hair properly. Follow me. So the first thing is water temperature. We don't want the water temperature too hot, and we don't want it too cold. We want it a nice warm temperature. So we want to make sure we get all of the hair wet, and that's important, and especially with thicker hair, making sure you get right underneath into the back as well. You really want to make sure that when you're washing, you're not just focusing on this one area here, because often what I see is people focus on this area, but they miss out the really important, the hairline and underneath at the back. Now, our shampoo is sulfate free. It is going to give you a rich lather, but it's really important. If it's not lathering up, that means your hair isn't clean. That means it needs more washing. Okay, so it's almost like your shampoo has got a bit of a built-in lie detector, you know. It's going to tell you when your hair is clean. So definitely here we're going to need 2, maybe even 3 shampoos. It's all about looking until your hair is lathering. And not just lathering, you want it to lather right around the hairline and lather right to the root area. That's really, really important. So this on the second shampoo, and again, I've emulsified this shampoo, I've worked it all through. If you need to add a touch of water, you can. But now you can see with that second shampoo, it's much, much better. You're seeing much more of a lather than the first shampoo. And still at the back, you can see I'm not getting a lather. If you turn, I'm not getting a lather right down to the root. That still means it needs more cleansing just there. And that's something that you really want to look out for. You want a rich lather right down into your root, like this. And that's when your hair is clean. A lot of shampoos make claims to thicken, smooth, shine, gloss. And what actually happens is the ingredients in those shampoos, as you're washing and rinsing, they're actually engineered to stick and stay behind, so they can actually build up. That's why shampooing your hair is so important, and using the right shampoo is so important. Now this is like perfection. This is exactly what you want to be getting. Right into that hairline, you see a rich lather right through, and it's an effortless lather. Now right into this back, I'll turn the head underneath, you can see right into there, a rich, effortless lather right into the root area. So now I know that this hair is really clean. Now if you find sometimes that your hair goes greasy on second day after washing, or you always feel like you have a bit of a build-up right after you've washed it, that could be 2 things. It can be your shampoo leaving a lot of ingredients behind on your hair and on your scalp that builds up and doesn't rinse off. But it also could be that you're not getting your hair properly clean. So you want to get the right shampoo, and you want to follow my tips, working right through the hair, doing numerous shampoos. That will give you that perfect clean slate. And the rinse is really important as well. You really want to make sure you get right through down to the scalp and all areas of your hair, you know, rinsed properly. So there you have it, my tips on getting the best shampoo. You've got to remember, clean hair, clean scalp, you're going to get phenomenal results from whatever you're trying to achieve. Make sure you follow me at Mr. Giles Robinson, and definitely follow at Colour Wow Hair. Cheers.